Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam, Sir. My name is Junessa Mahilong. I am 32 years old. I have live-in partner and we have 3 kids, ages 11, 10, and 8. And I am high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for my family needs and to earn money for my kids' study and future.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, Madam, Sir, but I have experience working here in Philippines for 5 years as a domestic helper.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties are clean the house, making the foods, and taking care of their 6 years old baby girl.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, sir, ma'am.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I'm taking care of them for like taking a bath and feeding, making them healthy foods.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
My skills is to do cleaning the house, washing dishes, washing the clothes, and all the household chores.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
And as a domestic helper, the necessary is loyal, honest, trustworthy, flexible, and hardworking person.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am loyal, honest, trustworthy, flexible, and hardworking person. I hope see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you.